Living in Deltona, Florida, means enjoying warm weather, but it also means dealing with high humidity and frequent rain, which can lead to mold growth and moisture issues in homes. One of the most overlooked areas of moisture control is your doors. Old, poorly installed, or damaged doors can allow excess moisture to enter your home, creating the perfect environment for mold and mildew to thrive. Investing in new door installation can significantly reduce these risks and keep your home safe, dry, and comfortable. Here's how a properly installed, moisture-resistant door can make a difference in your Deltona home. Choosing the right door material to resist moisture. Not all doors are designed to handle high humidity and frequent rain exposure. Traditional wooden doors, while beautiful, can absorb moisture, leading to warping, rotting, and mold growth. By choosing the right materials, homeowners can better protect their homes from moisture damage. The best door materials for Deltona's climate include fiberglass doors. These doors are highly resistant to moisture, do not warp, and provide excellent insulation. Steel doors. Strong and durable, steel doors resist humidity and pests but require proper coatings to prevent rust. Composite doors. Made from engineered materials, these doors are designed to withstand moisture while offering superior durability and energy efficiency. By selecting a moisture-resistant door material, homeowners can minimize the risk of mold and structural damage. Ensuring proper sealing and weatherproofing. Even the best door material won't be effective if it's not properly sealed. A professional door installation ensures that there are no gaps or cracks where humid air or rainwater can seep in. Key weatherproofing techniques include high-quality weather stripping to block moisture and drafts. Durable door sweeps to prevent water intrusion at the bottom of the door. Proper caulking around the frame to seal out humidity and rain. With expert sealing and weatherproofing, a new door helps keep your home's interior dry and mold-free. Preventing warping and swelling from humidity. In Deltona, humidity can cause doors to expand and contract, leading to misalignment, sticking doors, and air leaks. A professionally installed door accounts for these factors by using reinforced frames to prevent warping, ensuring precise spacing to accommodate seasonal expansion, applying protective coatings that resist moisture absorption. These small but crucial adjustments help prevent the structural damage and mold issues that often arise with old or improperly fitted doors. Reducing indoor humidity and condensation. A well-installed, insulated door acts as a barrier against excess humidity, reducing the amount of moisture that enters your home. This helps to prevent condensation buildup, which can lead to mold growth around door frames. Lower indoor humidity levels, reducing strain on your HVAC system. Improve indoor air quality, keeping your home healthier and more comfortable. By investing in a new energy-efficient door, Deltona homeowners can enjoy a cooler, drier, and mold-resistant home. Eliminating hidden moisture traps around entryways. Mold often develops in hidden areas, such as within door frames, under weather stripping, and in cracks. Older doors with worn-out materials and improper sealing create the perfect breeding ground for mold. A new, professionally installed door eliminates these risks by replacing rotted or moisture-damaged door frames, Sealing gaps that trap condensation. Installing mold-resistant materials, such as composite or fiberglass doors. By eliminating moisture-prone areas, a new door reduces the likelihood of mold and mildew damaging your home and affecting your health. Enhancing energy efficiency and home protection. A properly installed moisture-resistant door does more than prevent mold. It also improves energy efficiency and home security. Benefits include better insulation, keeping cool air inside and humid air out. Reduced energy bills, since air leaks and moisture infiltration are minimized. Increased home durability, as mold and moisture-related damage are prevented. This means a new door installation is a long-term investment in both home comfort and property value. Preventing mold-related health issues. Mold exposure can cause serious health problems, including respiratory issues, allergic reactions, headaches and fatigue. By keeping excess moisture and humidity out of your home, a professionally installed door helps protect your family's health and well-being. Final thoughts. Invest in a moisture-resistant door for your Deltona home. If you live in Deltona, where humidity and moisture can cause significant damage, investing in a new door installation is one of the best ways to protect your home. With the right materials, expert sealing, and weatherproofing, you can reduce mold risks, improve energy efficiency, and enhance home comfort. For the best protection against moisture damage, work with trusted door installation professionals in Deltona who understand the local climate and can provide high-quality, long-lasting solutions. A well-installed door will not only enhance security and curb appeal but also keep your home dry, safe, and mold-free for years to come.